Nature walk time. Nature walk time. Ooh, 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 ah. It's nature walk time. I ain't leave my phone in the car because I don't know this route. So it's my second time here. First time I got lost. I never did it. We're gonna go into the jungle and see how it is. Nature walk. You gotta walk. You gotta walk and stay healthy. Bring you some water, some water. Get your walk on. Get your walk on. Bring some insect repellent too. Getting bit up out here. Where the water at? Supposed to be a waterfall somewhere. I don't know. Alrighty tidy. I found the water. Found the water. Ah, this is piece right here. This piece right here. Look just like the website. It's funny. Yeah, found the water. I'm going to have me a seat on an Old Town Rock. I have me a seat right here. Got sun beaming on me. Let me reflect on this week. Let's get it.